Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno 4 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So number one, let's start off by opening our content that we wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open, we have two ways of capturing it. So number one would be with the power key and volume down. Just press both of them at the same time. We'll capture a screenshot and give you a quick guide on what you can do. So slide or drag down to share the screenshot. Now it doesn't show you actually, but you can slide it up to make it scrollable. So as you can see, it starts scrolling, and you can scroll it yourself also. If you don't interact with it, it will scroll all the way to the bottom, at which point once it reaches it, it will just stop. And also whenever you move it and let it go, it shows you the resolution of the photo, and then from here you can tap on done, and this is the scrollable shot. Now it also overwrites the normal screenshot, so the one that I first captured and then slide it up to make it scrollable is completely gone now and substituted for the longer one. So that is one way you can capture a scrollable screenshot and capture a normal screenshot as well. And the other way to just capture a screenshot or also scrollable is with three fingers. You slide it down on the screen, swipe down with three fingers to take a screenshot. It actually looks like there's a couple additional ways of capturing it. So we have the touch and hold with three fingers to take a partial screenshot, and then touch and hold with three fingers and scroll down to take a scrollable screenshot. So that's actually nice. So let's just close this and retry this once more. The first time you try to do it, as you can see, it gives you the guide. So that's a normal screenshot, as you just seen, and now it shows us the little notification to drag up to make it scrollable. I just tap on the side and let it disappear. There we go. So the other way would be to hold your finger on it. As you can see, then it becomes grayed out, and you can just slide it around here. Once you let go, you can shrink it even further if you want to, and once you're satisfied, tap on the save button. And then the last one was three fingers, and just slide it all the way down, and it becomes scrollable. So again, let's tap on done. And now all the screenshots that I have captured can be found in our photo gallery. So let's open that up, go to albums and screenshots, and there we go. So this was the last one with three fingers swipe for scrollable. Then actually no, this was I think the first one in this case. This one was the second one with just a press of the buttons, I think. Then this is the three finger crop one, and then the scrollable one. So that is different ways you can capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.